What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out everyone. For today, we are going to do a reaction video for Fourth Impact. Yes, the Philippines Pride, but this Four Sisters is doing so good in Hollywood, and congratulations girls. And for today, meron silang bagong cover song, and this is for the mega hit Wicked movie theme song, which is Defying Gravity. Nako, we know already if it's Fourth Impact, this is just a piece of cake. And for sure, with the arrangement, I heard na ang nag-arrange nito is one of the Four Sisters, and it's so good. Kaya naman nakaka-excite at nakubongga rin sila gumawa ng cover. Hindi lang basta cover song in a studio, they cover it with a music video. Ganon. Ang huli ko na react natin is Part of Your World. Grabe din yun. Nakasirena outfit sila. And for today, it's for Defying Gravity. So kaya naman nakaka-excite yan. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh my God. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, nasa Hollywood sila eh. Oh. At outdoor! Oh.
Something has changed within me.
Nag-best in long gown sila for today.
Something is not the same.
Si Serena ata to.
I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game.
Hold on guys, grabe umpisa pa lang. Ang ganda ng atake. Grabe. Oh my God, I love you girls.
Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep.
Ooh, lamig.
It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and believe. It's time to try to find gravity. I think I'll try to find
Grabe, mahabol.
gravity, and you can't pull me down.
Grabe, inumpisahan nila tayo ng demure and sweet girl attack sa Defying Gravity. Pero alam naman natin na meron tong pasabog for sure with this long gown competition. Charet!
I'm through accepting limits.
I watched the movie guys, grabe, panoorin nyo.
Some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know.
Ganda ng harmony.
Losing love, I guess I'm lost. So if that's love comes up,
Go girls! Hey! Oh my God, goosebumps! The harmony.
I'm defying gravity, and you can pull me down.
Hold on guys, grabe. Aside from the vocals, the camera angles, ang ganda ng cinematography, and the way that it's flying. I think this is a drone shot. Plus, nasa sila, parang peak. Diba? Nasa edge sila ng isang peak. And those vocals, the harmony, love it. At ganito yung sa movie.
And I've just had a vision, almost like a prophecy. I know it sounds truly crazy and true. The vision's hazy, but I swear something.
Grabe, ang ganda. With conviction. Oh, that angle of camera plus the vocal. Ooh. Hold on guys, grabe yun. My God, the bridge part, napaka-solemn ng pagkakanta, and then the way that they're singing it, it's like in the Broadway style. Tapos yung pag everybody can fly, something like that, and the drone flies. The camera angle flies. I love it. Ito na, my favorite part.
So if you can finally lift up the western sky,
Shoota kayo.
everyone deserves a chance to fly.
Oh!
temper, I get free.
Ganda.
So good by me. Take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm divine.
Goosebumps, guys.
I'm flying high.
Wait, hindi natin pwedeng palagpasin yung part na yun. Grabe. I love it. Let's rewatch that. Iba mag-version? Ito. Eh!
Nobody in all of us, no wisdom that there is of us, is ever gonna bring me
Oh. Goosebumps! Oh my God!
bring me
Hey! Eh, shoot kayo! Ganun yan! Ganun dapat yan talaga. Charit. There you have it, guys. That is Fourth Impact. Grabe, defying gravity from the Wicked movie soundtrack. Oh my gosh! Sabi ko na nga ba. Diba? How would you expect? Ganito talaga tong apat na magkakapatid na to. Sarap di sabunutan eh. Charot, masyado nilang ginalingan, guys. This deserves a recognition sa mga cover songs and rendition in terms like this. Grabe, plus the production hindi puchu-puchu, guys. This is exceptional. Ang ganda, I love it. The arrangement, yung distribution of songs, lyrics sa bawat isang magkakapatid, and the way they execute it, you can feel it. Tapos mapapawaw ka sa mga high notes, diba? Hindi ko lang mga G5, F5, kinemerot pa yan. They are hitting it note by note. The execution was exceptional. Plus, the feel, alam mo yung genuine, heartfelt song, kahit birit. Grabe! Ang ganda! Congratulations, girls! I love it. And, yung fulfillment nung expectation ko, na-exceed pa nila the way that they did it. Plus, the camera angles. Grabe, no? I think nasa rooftop sila. Kala ko nasa peak kinemerot. But, kitang-kita, we are in Hollywood. And, they deserve to do covers or perform this on stage, no? Ang ganda. At syempre, alam ka naman, you feel the same way, guys. Kaya naman, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asian Diaries. And if you have any other requests, you can comment down below and we will check that out for you. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asian Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.